What does it mean to you to not only be on this card, but that they got you main event and here in the mid?
Ooh.
It's goosebumps, man. It's goosebumps, man. Like to be able to make history, to bring bare knuckle fighting championships to Michigan, man, is a dream come true. That being said, like I told these young bucks, man, from the gates, like, yo, put the work in and you will achieve spots in like other places that you never imagined, bro. And it's like from prelims to main event, bro. Like, come on, man. That's proof in the pudding right there, bro. Like you can't deny that, man. That hard work shows, bro. Like you cannot deny one way in there, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I went in there, I sacrificed blood, sweat, and tears. I ain't cut no corners. And bro, look at what happened, bro. Look at the reward that we reaped, man. Like, and I felt good doing it.